Benz, drive a wrist shot caller. When I grow up, I wanna be like Jordan and Kobe. On the court, my homie said when I grow up, I wanna be a rapper, sold out stadium packer. When I grow up, I wanna run my city like Pac, Nas, Jay, and Biggie. When I grow up, I wanna be a baller, Benz, drive a wrist shot caller. When I grow up, I wanna be like Jordan and Kobe. On the court, my homie said when I grow up, I wanna be a rapper, sold out stadium packer. When I grow up, I wanna run my city like Pac, Nas, Jay, and Biggie. Make money like Diddy.
Most of us only got 2 dreams in this life, but ain't got no means. So we hustle all day tryna stock that green. End up hitting that mall just to cop them jeans. I got to. Most of us don't care about school, we don't care about rules. So we very smart, clearly not fools. Section 8 was a scary spot too, so we slick into that Marriott pool and got wild too. Most of us don't follow all the politics, too busy caught up in our sorrow to acknowledge it. I got homies that ain't never went to college, but they making more money than my father with a doctorate. Most of us think money is success, thinking out the box got me stressed. Man, I wanna be the best, but I never thought to me smaller checks in my pants. But I swear I got next, cause when I show up, I can feel their eyes on me. All the women start vibing off me. Haters in the crowd always wanna get down me, mugging trying hard to get a rise out of me. But when I blow up, I'ma get moms that jag. I'ma go and spend time with my dad, travel around the world with the people that I love, celebrating, man, what a